Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take selfie using hand, that is showing your hand in front of camera. You can take a selfie. Okay, let's learn how to do it. Okay, for that, first go to the camera in your phone and keep your camera in selfie mode. Okay, this is selfie mode, and now go to the settings of your camera and go to shooting methods and make sure that show palm is turned on. Okay, if it is turned off, you have to turn it on, and then now you can use your palm to show in front of the camera. See here, you will start counting. Okay, yes, then remove your hand, and yes, photo is taken. This is the selfie. Okay, so if countdown is showing, then you have to remove your hand. Otherwise, if you keep your hand until it completes, then your hand will also be in the frame, and they will appear in the hand is appearing in the photo. Okay, so to act as the shutter button for to act, that is your hand should act only as a shutter button for taking selfie. Okay, for that it will show some time. Okay, then after showing the time, okay, that the busy symbol is rounding here, then you have to remove. Okay, remove your hand, and then you can easily take selfie. Okay, so in this way you can easily take selfie without touching shutter button, just by showing your hand in front of your camera. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.